Well, everyone, I just finished up and wrapped up a battery charging test between these three different devices: the Google Pixel 7, iPhone 14, and the Samsung Galaxy S23. And this was actually the first time I've done a battery charging test where I recorded the whole entire thing. So from basically the beginning, the issue that we kind of had with basically all these devices was that they don't come with chargers. They come with the USB-C chargers, but they don't come with actual charging blocks. So what I did was, for this first test, I just basically went through and plugged them all into the same exact power source. This was a standard, I think, a slower charging situation, so they weren't really they weren't fast chargers. So I didn't use like a super crazy high watt for one and then the slower one for the other, since they all don't come with charging blocks. So what I did was I just kind of let them sit there, and I'll probably have some overlay video, and I put a timer to the side, and I just waited from they were completely dead all the way until they were charged up basically at 100%, how long it basically took them. And what I found was not super surprising. Basically, from 0.0% to the last one being charged up, it took about 2 hours and 40 minutes. So it took a long period of time. It definitely wasn't super quick by any means. These were not fast chargers, like I mentioned. I made sure the optimized battery charging was off. So I made sure that it didn't go to 80% and then it slow charged all the way up. And I found out that basically the Google Pixel 7 was the first one to actually go ahead and essentially be the quickest one to actually charge up. So that was something that was really cool. And so if you want to get the phone that's going to be potentially one of the faster ones, at least on a basic charger, the Google Pixel 7 is actually the one that charged up the fastest. It took 2 hours and 5 minutes for my Pixel 7 to actually go ahead and charge up. Now with my iPhone 14, this one was the second place. So this one took about 2 hours and 13 minutes. So not as long as the Pixel 7, it took a little bit longer, but I'm still super happy with the way the iPhone 14 kind of approached it. And again, if you use a faster charger, that's clearly going to be a little bit faster of an experience. Now my Samsung Galaxy S23 was the slowest one. This one took 2 hours and 40 minutes to basically reach that maximum charge. So, it wasn't like the end of the world, it wasn't anything super crazy, but it is kind of weird that when you have a phone like the Samsung Galaxy S23 that just came out, it did take kind of the longest amount to charge from 0% to 100% on a fairly slow charger. Now if you're using a fast charger, you can equate that out to the differences, but if you're using the same charger on all of them via the same wattage, then clearly it's going to be the same thing. Now a big thing I want to mention here is that this is the newest phone, so because of that, you should probably expect this phone to get some software updates here and there that'll probably end up improving and increasing the speed of the charging. There's a lot of times where randomly you can have some issues when it first comes out, so I think this is definitely going to be one that's going to improve throughout time. But that was basically for my first initial battery charging test. I'm going to run a few more. Hopefully I can run one where I just run them basically with the same exact fast charger and see how long it takes them from there. But I guess that's pretty much it. If you want to see that video, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.